Hello and welcome. Now in this video I want to talk to you about what you can expect in my online course Block Printing for Beginners. Now as suggested by the title, this course is aimed at complete beginners to block printing and stamping. So I'm going to guide you step by step through the whole process from coming up with an idea to use for printing all the way through carving the block, inking it, and then printing it to create a finished piece. The course comprises a number of videos, and each video takes an individual element of the process, explains it in detail before guiding you on to the next video. So for example, we start out by introducing what block printing is, the tools and materials that you will need for the course, and there's a mixture of essential materials and optional materials. We go through the whole process that I use for designing for block printing, from really simple shapes to slightly more complicated designs that might be bigger or incorporate things like text. From there I look at carving the block, so I explain the carving tools, my approach to carving, some really handy tips to get the best out of your block, and then of course the fun stuff, the printing. So within the course I'm going to show you two different ways to do block printing. First of all, using these ink pads here, which are really quick, really convenient and brilliant for working in a small space and getting a quick result. But I'm also going to explain block printing inks, so using a roller to ink up your block and why we would do this and also how we do this. Within the course you'll also find a number of projects which will take an element of block printing and get you to explore it further. And I'll show you some of the possibilities, places where you can go with block printing once you've mastered the basics through this course. So I am so excited to see you in the course, and I look forward to seeing you very shortly.